Hi, welcome to Casa del Sonio instruction videos. When you're finished with your laundry, taking it out of the washer, you can use the dryer, but if the weather's nice in Italy, it dries much better
and faster.
and faster outside. So we have a laundry rack here, and we have clothespins here. We go outside
I'll show you the optimal place to put it.
and set up the laundry rack.
This way it's less likely to fall over or get blown over.
The way this works is it slides out and it opens up like this. And then you can get your clothes
Pretty day today.
and I suggest you hang shirts on either side so that they'll dry and so that the rack won't tip over if it gets windy. And then you can hang socks, underwear, towels, washcloths in this case, along these.
Or up on top. You can also put pants there as well.
And then you can use the clothespins. That way, if it's a windy day, or if the wind picks up, you won't find your clothes on the ground. Doesn't hurt to hold that in place so it doesn't slide around too much.
Same for the other one. I use the big ones there. Keep it in place.
So that's the best way to dry your clothes here in Italy.